A quick little video to show you how to insert the blade on a Husky utility knife. First off, the blades are stored on board, which is super convenient. You pull open the storage on the side compartment and slide out a new blade. Be careful, they're super sharp. Closing that storage compartment, make sure the blade slider is fully extended, meaning it's all the way forward, before you try to insert the new blade. Push the quick release button, the little white button near the front of the knife, and gently insert the blade carefully. You'll feel it click into position, and once it's in, give it a little tug to make sure that you've got it in the right spot. Use the glider to make sure it can go in and out, and you're ready to go. Remember, Husky tools are guaranteed for life, so whatever fails, you can get a free replacement.